This is a severe weather alert from WMBD meteorologist Lauren Rainson.
A tornado warning continues for southeastern Knox County until 1 p.m. So we got another 5 or so minutes to go left in this warning. No updates or anything, but I do want to appreciate everybody who's been calling in, letting me know that it's Mequon. I did actually ask a few weeks ago how to pronounce that town. Nobody knew, but now I know. So thank you, Mequon. We are still in the storm's path. Southeastern Knox County is where the tornado warning's at. So basically those in Mequon to Williamsfield. We still need to be in our safe place in the lowest level interior portion of your business, your home. This is all radar indicated, so nothing has been confirmed, although there have been talk going around that there was a tornado sighted. Basically at this point in time it's just all radar confirmed. We can verify on radar that there is a possible tornado with the storm that is just now impacting Mequon. Farmington and Norris, we are on the southeast tail of this storm, so we are okay because it's moving away from us north at 20 miles per hour. And if it continues to the north at 20 miles per hour, the storm will be impacting Altona at 138, Galva at 156, and at 217 the storm will be in Cambridge. That's if this continues off to the north at 20 miles per hour. Then since radar has indicated the rotation that's conducive to a possible tornado, that's why the National Weather Service went ahead and issued that tornado warning. Got another few more minutes. Right now it's 12:57, so 3 minutes left on this tornado warning for southeastern Knox County. Right now, Mequon to Williamsfield, we still need to be in our safe place. At 1:38, the storm will be in Altona just before 2 p.m. in Galva, and in 2:17 in Cambridge. I'm going to go ahead and see if we have any more updates with this tornado warned storm in southeast Knox County. We are also seeing some 3/4 inch diameter hail, but obviously our main concern at this point being the possible tornado. I'm going to see if the National Weather Service has any updates. As of 12:35, this severe thunderstorm was capable of producing a tornado. It was 14 miles north of Canton, and it continues on its path to the north at 20 miles per hour. If there is a tornado occurring, flying debris is going to be our next issue. If you're outside, if you're in a mobile home, you need to be seeking shelter in a sturdier building, a sturdier home. Damage to roofs, sidings, windows, vehicles will occur. Damage basically likely if indeed there is that tornado. And even if there's not, we're getting some pretty good wind gusts out of this thing too. You can expect wind gusts up to around 60 miles per hour and 3/4 inch diameter hail. So this storm is moving very slowly. We really haven't seen much progression at all with this over the last 10 to 15 minutes or so. All of these storms have been lifting to the north-northeast. We've seen these showers and storms develop within this last hour. Or Cambridge, I don't even know how I pronounced it not too long ago. Cambridge. So thank you. Yes, I am learning all these smaller pronunciations of these smaller towns, but these storms, these showers, they've redeveloped within the last hour or two west of I-55, just as expected. And because basically what's happening is we got the low pressure out to our northwest. We can see there's some sort of a counterclockwise spin or swirl here on the radar satellite. And then where the occluded front, the stationary front, the cold front, everything's coming together, that's providing for a little extra spin, a little extra rotation in the atmosphere. So that's why we're in that 2% risk for brief spin-up tornado. So it is very likely that one is occurring still in southeastern Knox County. We still have a couple more minutes left on this warning. That is, unless if the National Weather Service decides to go ahead and continue the warning. So we'll wait and see here before I let you go. We got another minute until 1 o'clock this afternoon in southeast Knox County. We're still in that tornado warning for another minute or so. Cambridge, is it Cambridge or Cambridge? I already forgot again. Cambridge. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm still learning, even though I've been here for 4 years. Galva, 156 is when the storm will be here. Altona, 138. That's if it continues at its current speed and path to the north at 20 miles per hour. You can expect additional showers and storms to be popping up here. Basically, we're starting out west of the Illinois River, west of 155 and I-55, and these storms are lifting more to the north and then northeast. Okay, it looks like we got new warnings that just popped in here. Let me go ahead and step off. Looks like Peoria into northern Fulton County. Tornado warning has been extended here. Let me get the latest updates on these warnings that just popped in. So at 12:59, 1 minute ago, a tornado-producing storm was located along a line extending from near Watauga to Trevoli, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Now this time around, the law enforcement has confirmed a tornado. So not only are we getting confirmation from the radar, but law enforcement has seen a tornado with this storm. So Elmwood, you need to be seeking shelter. Farmington, we are within this warned area. Kickapoo, Princeville, Hannah City, Williamsfield, Mequon, Galesburg, we are even included within this. So Oneida, Galesburg, Williamsfield, Elmwood, Farmington, Hannah City. Glassford, we look like we're okay right now. But Trevoli to Norris, you need to be seeking shelter. Get in your safe place right now. Fulton, Knox, and Peoria County, we are now in a tornado warning until 1:30 this afternoon. These storms are going to be near Elmwood and Trevoli around 1:05. Hannah City and Oneida around 1:15. Brimfield, the storm will be here at 1:20. Altona and Victoria, 1:25. Dunlap, we got a little bit more time to get ready. The storm is going to be here at 1:30 this afternoon. Other locations that are impacted by these storms include Snake Den, Hollow, Norris, Banner, Smithville, Monica, Kickapoo, Dahinda, East Galesburg, Middle Grove, and Henderson. If you're on the interstates or planning to travel here shortly, this will be on Interstate 74 between mile markers 34 and 83. So you need to get to the basement or interior room, the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Please stay away from windows. If you're outside, or if you know of those folks who are still out there, you hear the tornado sirens go off, you need to be heading in right now to get to your safe place. Norris, Farmington, Trevoli, Elmwood, the Kickapoo areas. So basically, for folks in Peoria, the strongest part of the storms are going to be passing off to our west. And these storms are taking more of a northerly track right now. So law enforcement has confirmed a tornado with this storm. This storm right now that we're looking at is moving to the northeast at 25 miles per hour. So Farmington, Hannah City to the Kickapoo, Elmwood areas, we are in the path. Mequon, we are still in a tornado warning now. We were in one early before 1 o'clock, and now the National Weather Service has included us within this new tornado warning. Basically, these storms are moving north and then kind of northeast, anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. So these storms aren't moving that quickly, but we do have a confirmed tornado on the ground, and that was near Mequon not too long ago. Law enforcement saw that. We also can verify this on what's happening on radar. So Farmington to Norris, Hannah City, Kickapoo, even Princeville. Princeville, we have a little bit of extra time to seek shelter to get in our safe place as we're a little further out from these storms. They're not moving too quickly, anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. Dunlap, we have until 1:30 to get in our safe place. But Peoria, East Peoria, we are okay. And then further back off east of the Illinois River, we're just fine. But north to Farmington, right now, some of the stronger parts of the storm starting to impact us right now. See that in Mequon, Farmington, Norris. And it sounds like we got another update, so I'm going to step off and check out and see what's going on over here. Let's see, there's an interaction between the boundary and the line of storms in Knox County, causing brief tornadoes and funnel clouds for Knox, northeast Fulton, and western Peoria. So this is the same thing that we've been talking about all morning, and then at WMBD News at noon. What's going on? There's low that's spinning out over western Iowa. We got an occluded front, we got a stationary front, and we got a cold frontal boundary. Basically, all these boundaries are coming together, and at the point of intersection, that's adding for a little more spin, or a little more rotation in the atmosphere, which is why we are getting these tornadoes to quickly spin up here. So Farmington to Norris and to Elmwood. Let me see what else is happening over here with updates. I know Chief Meteorologist Chris Yates just arrived as well, but yes, law enforcement has seen the tornado. The storm we're looking at here, moving off northeast at 25 miles per hour. It is near Watauga to Trevoli, and it's moving to the northeast. Kickapoo to Banner, Smithfield, Monica to Hinda, East Galesburg. We really need to be in our safe shelter at this point. I'm going to zoom out a little bit wider so we can see other storms that are coming in.
Let's have them take Max 2 in the, over in the control room for us here. We're going to